Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to do reflections in maximum geometry. So first of all, we need to know what a reflection is. And reflection is a point moved in equidistance on an axis that is perpendicular to the line of symmetry. So we'll start with our 2 points, 0, 0, and 0, 5. And the distance between the 2 points is 5, as we need to do x minus a and y minus b to figure out which distance is greater. So if we do y minus b, we have negative 5, and we take the absolute value of that, and we get 5. So the distance between the 2 points is 5. Now we need to try to reflect these 2 points. So we find the line of symmetry, which is equal to 1/2 x going through the point 0, 0 here. And because it's going through the point 0, 0, 0, 0 does not reflect on a different space, it reflects over itself and is still the point 0, 0. We then need to find the line that's perpendicular to the line of symmetry. So what we need to do is find the opposite reciprocal, which is negative 2 of the slope, 1/2. And we know that the y-intercept is 5. So we have negative 2x plus 5 for the equation of that line. Using those equations, we can find that this center point then is 2, 1. So if we know that the center point is 2, 1, we need to find a point that could have the original distance from 5, 0 to 2, 1. And then we need to find a point on this line of symmetry that also has a distance. So if we do 5, 0 as our point, and x and y, and 2, 1 is our a and b, we do x minus a, which is equal to 3, and 0 minus 1, the absolute value of that is equal to 1. So we know that our distance needs to be 3. So if we then look and try to find a new point on our line of symmetry, we can look at 3, negative 1, but we know that the distance would not equal 3 at all. We could look at 4, negative 3 as it also lines up, but we also know that that will not be 3. But if we do 5 and negative 5 as our points, we can do 2 minus 5, the absolute value of that is equal to 3, which is what we were looking for. We need the distance to be the same. However, if we do 1 minus a negative 5, the absolute value of that is 6, which our new distance would then be 6 because we need to go with whatever distance is bigger. And because our distance is 6 and not 3, we know that the distance was not maintained and therefore not an isometry.